If you like to ink blend, chances are you're going to love the versatility and convenience of the Tonic Studios Magnetic Crafters platform. You can use this tool simply as a blendable surface, or take advantage of the strong magnets that are included with this tool to hold down your paper, stencils, and more. You get 2 strong magnets with your magnetic platform. Now be careful not to get them too close, or you could get them stuck together. If you do get them stuck together, there is a trick to be able to get them apart. Carefully slide them away from each other, and you'll see they simply pull apart. Do be careful not to pull them apart, as there is the possibility that you could break them. Your workable surface area is 12 by 10 inches, which is a generous space even for larger size projects such as slimline cards. Many different tools can be used on the magnetic platform, including blending brushes, domed blending foams, daubers, and more. On the bottom of the mat is a felted material to help keep the tool from sliding while you're using it. The platform also has easy to see rulers and grid lines so that you can be sure to keep things straight. This is especially helpful when you're masking, creating repeat patterns, or attempting other measurement-specific techniques. Whether you're using this with dye-based inks, distress oxides, or other blendable inks, you'll love how easy this tool is to clean. The surface of the mat features a stain-resistant coating, which means you'll have a fresh-looking mat for a long time to come. To clean your mat, simply spray the surface with a bit of water and then just wipe away the ink with a microfiber cloth. Alternatively, you can also use a baby wipe or moist towel. But if you have one of those sticky or more stubborn inks on your surface, you might want to step up your cleaning by spritzing on some of our Simon Says Stamp Cleaner. This is a safe and gentle cleanser, but it's super effective at cleaning up inks and adhesives. Another great bonus feature of this mat is its slim and lightweight design. It's easily maneuverable on your work surface, and you can tuck this mat into those small spaces of your studio when you're done. The platform can also be taken with you on the go, which is a really great feature. You don't have to worry about it adding extra weight to your bag, and it's the perfect size for crafty get-togethers, crops, classes, and more. However you plan to use the Magnetic Crafters platform from Tonic Studios, you'll quickly fall in love with its convenient and easy-to-use features. Be sure to check out the links below the video to find this tool over on our Simon Says Stamp store, or you can search Magnetic Crafters platform in the search menu of our website. We hope that this quick tip video has been helpful and that you'll subscribe to our channel for additional inspiration and tips. Thanks so much for watching!